KTN.
Bills assented to by President William Ruto last Wednesday continue to elicit mixed reactions. The now amended Land Law 2024 has brought about significant changes to land ownership and administration. Of particular interest is the conversion of freehold land to leasehold, which would subject majority of private freehold land to an annual land rent and be leased for a maximum of 99 years. The new law amends the Land Act 2012 with new sections that will affect landowners and buyers in designated development areas. KTN's political affairs reporter Daniel Kariuki with more details.
On the dailies today, the government put out an advertisement explaining the 8 bills signed into law by President William Ruto on the day former Prime Minister Raila Odinga died in India. The explanations and advertisement coming at a time there is a public outrage over the signing of the controversial bills and the timing.
Your Excellency, the next bill.
Land issues have been emotive. Demonstrations witnessed in various parts of the country as residents protest over land grabbing by private developers and powerful individuals. And now part of the bill signed are 2 land laws. Part of the law opens a window for reviews into questionable allocations linked to former senior officials, politically connected families, and influential business interests, many of which may involve forest land, riparian reserves, road corridors, community land, public institutions, and even school compounds. These contained in the National Land Commission Amendment Bill 2023. The Act allows National Lands Commission to conduct such reviews on its own motion or upon a complaint, and to give all interested parties an opportunity to be heard.
The primary objective of this bill is to amend Section 12 of the Principal Act and provide the requisite procedure to be followed by the registrar for registration of public land allocated to a public body or institution by the Commission.
If the Commission finds that a title deed was unlawfully acquired, it has the authority to direct the Registrar of Lands to revoke it. And where a title was irregularly put, not unlawfully obtained, the Commission may take corrective action. Critics fear the new amendments could be weaponized politically to target rivals while protecting allies.
Lakini kwa bahati mbaya napenda sana kumcaution waziri wetu wa ardhi ambaye analeta policy ambayo huenda ikaleta mzozo mkubwa wa mashamba.
In the Land Amendment Bill 2024, freehold land will now be converted to leasehold with a typical lease of 99 years. This means that conversion will primarily affect freehold land owned by non-citizens or companies with foreign shareholding. Also in this new law, landowners will now be required to pay annual rent to the government.
Hakuna vile sisi tutakubali kuweka ushuru katika shamba hili ili serikali iunde pesa. Na pia hatuwezi kubali mashamba yetu ambayo ni ancestral land yageuzwe yawekwe kwenye leasehold ambazo tutakuwa tunalipia ushuru kila mwaka.
As for me personally, I'm against it kwa sababu shamba mingi ambayo tumekuwa nayo tangu Kenya ianze, hakuna mtu ambaye amekuwa akilease shamba, and we haven't had any problem with this country. So these sudden changes that are coming, I think all of us are against it. They should leave us to buy our land the way we've been buying our lands.
Management ibadilishwe kutoka kwa PC ili hao wasio waende na mikongojo wapewe title zao, si lazima hata ukuje ulaunch. So mimi sikubaliana na mambo ya kusema ya kwamba 99 years shamba inarudi kwa serikali.
While the government has come under sharp criticism, the proponents say that the law is focused solely on protecting public land and enhancing transparency.
When developers or people who are selling land have put aside land for public schools and such kind of thing, the land must be registered because usually it's left open, then they resell. So it is to cure that problem.
Daniel Kariuki, KTN.
Earlier today, activists chained themselves outside the Ministry of